Welcome back to another West Country Tech video. In this video we'll be looking at another 4G faster internet install, as well as both a livestock monitoring and security camera system. The job started on the container near the entrance to the site. A pole was installed to give the height needed for both the 4G antennas as well as the angle of the camera and the line of sight for the wireless link. The 4G antenna was positioned to face the 4G mast to give the best signal possible for the site, and the camera was positioned to give a wide view over the entire site's entrance. We then moved up to the main cowshed for the installation of the PTZ and wireless link, starting by assessing where exactly the PTZ would be positioned inside and then running cable down the shed for the wireless link. Jack then went down to the end of the shed to install the other wireless link, whilst John finished up the gubbins box installation. The wireless link will send the camera back to the recorder located in the container. Then it was on to the PTZ installation. This was positioned in an optimal place in the shed to give the best view over the entire interior, covering both the calving and feeding pens.